students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, find the HCF of 64 and 332 by using Euclid's division algorithm. So Euclid's division algorithm, it's like we'll start with the greatest number and we will divide the greater number with the smaller number, which is 64, and we will continue this process until we get remainder as 0. See how. So if we divide this by 64 5 times 320, and remainder we are getting 12. So now what we'll do, our remainder will become divisor and our divisor will become dividend. So again 64. Now if we'll divide this 5 times 60 and we are getting 4. Again the same process, remainder will become divisor and divisor will become dividend. So we'll divide 4 by 12. It will goes in 3 times 12, and yes, remainder becomes 0. So when remainder is 0, our divisor will be our HCF. When remainder is 0, our divisor will be our HCF. So in algorithm, we can write it like this: 332 is equals to 64 into 5 plus 64 into 5 plus 12. Correct? Now 64 can be written as 12 times 5, 12 times 5 plus 4, 12 times 5 plus 4. Now 12 can be written as 4 times 3 plus 0. So this 4 is our HCF. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.